Hello techies. So in this video we will learn how to run an existing React project using Visual Studio Code in the browser. So let's start. So open your browser and search Node.js and go to the first link and download this Node.js by simply clicking on this download button and install it in your system. In my case I have already downloaded and installed it, so I am not going to do this again. And right here again, Visual Studio Code, again download and install it to run your React project. Simply click on this download for Windows button to download it. Again I have already downloaded it, that's why. But in your case you need to download Node.js and Visual Studio Code both. After downloading and installing the both, go to the project here is my project. Open this folder and right click here and open this folder in terminal and simply type here code space dot and hit the enter button. That project will be opened in your Visual Studio Code and all the files related to that project is showing up here, you can see. Now open the terminal here, click on this 3 terminal and this new terminal and simply you have to type here npm start and that project will be open in your browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge that we have set by default. So see, that project has been opened here and this is running on localhost 3000, that is the port. So these are the simple steps that you can follow to do this the same. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see in the next video.